Hello everybody. Dear students, in this video I am going to teach polysaccharide. What do you mean by polysaccharide? Large number of monosaccharides combined together by oxide linkage, by glycosidic linkage is called as polysaccharide. It has large number of monosaccharides. These monosaccharides are combined by oxide linkage. The saccharides are called as polysaccharide. In our syllabus, they are given 3 polysaccharide. One is starch, second one is cellulose, third one is glycogen. In this video, I am going to teach starch. Starch is an example for polysaccharide. Its molecular formula C6H10O5N times. First, I will teach its character. Then I will teach its structure. Its structure is very important. Okay. So, what are the important properties? What are the important character of starch? It is a colorless substance. It is insoluble in water. There is no color. Colorless substance. Insoluble in water. Waterless. No smell. It is amorphous solid. Solids can be classified into 2 types. One is true crystalline solid. You know disaccharide. All the disaccharides are true crystalline solid. Monosaccharides also true crystalline solid. All the disaccharides all the polysaccharides are amorphous solid. All the polysaccharides are amorphous solid. Starch is an example for polysaccharide. So it is also example for amorphous solid. Next, reduction. It does not reduce. All the polysaccharides are non-reducing sugar. Starch also non-reducing sugar because it does not reduce tolerance reagent and filling solution. What's the reason? Because there is no free aldehyde. There is no free keto group. So, it does not reduce tolerance reagent and filling solution. So, it is a non-reducing sugar. It's a combination. Starch. Starch means what? Combination of polymer of alpha glucose. So, how many alpha glucose present? 200 to 1000 glucose units present. Starch means what? Polymer of alpha glucose is called as a starch. How many alpha glucose units present? 200 to 1000 alpha glucose units present. These are all important character of starch. It has 2 components. Starch contains 2 components. One is amylose. Another one is amylopectin. It has 2 components. Starch contains 2 components. One is amylose, another one is amylopectin. First of all, I am going to explain about amylose. Then I will teach amylopectin. Then I will teach these 2 components difference. Okay, amylose structure very important. Amylopectin structure also very important. First of all, I am going to teach the structure of amylose. Starch contains 2 components. What are the components present in starch? One is amylose, another one is amylopectin. First of all, I am going to explain about amylose. Amylose means what? Polymer of alpha glucose. This is polymer of alpha glucose. How many alpha glucose unit present? Here 200 to 1000 alpha glucose unit present. It is linear. All the alpha glucose linear. Alpha glucose, alpha glucose, alpha glucose, alpha glucose. So there is no branches. It is linear. This amylose is soluble in water, but amylopectin is insoluble in water. Here this one is soluble in H2O. Next, react with iodine. This is important reasoning question. Why starch produce blue color with iodine? When amylose react with iodine, it produce blue color. But amylopectin is not involved in chemical reaction with iodine. Here this amylose is involved in chemical reaction with iodine. It produces blue color. React with iodine. It gives blue color. Listen, important reasoning question. Why starch produce blue color with iodine? Because starch contains amylose and amylopectin. That amylose is involved in chemical reaction with iodine. It produces blue color. So starch becomes blue color. Okay. Next, its molecular mass. What's the molecular mass of amylose? 40,000 to 2 lakhs. Its molecular mass. Okay. Here it's a linkage. What kind of linkage present in amylose? It has only one linkage. C1C4 alpha glycosidic linkage. What kind of linkage present in amylose? C1C4 glycosidic linkage, alpha glycosidic linkage. But in amylopectin, it has two different types of linkage. One is C1C4 linkage, another one is C1C2 linkage. There are two different types of linkage present. I will explain in amylopectin. Okay, here only one linkage present. Its linkage is C1C4 alpha glycosidic linkage. Okay. Amylose means what? Polymer of alpha glucose. How many alpha glucose units present? 200 to 1000 alpha glucose units present. It is only linear. There is no branch. This one is soluble in water. Amylose only soluble in water. Amylopectin is insoluble in water. Next, this amylose react with iodine. It gives blue color. But amylopectin is not involved in chemical reaction with the iodine. What's the molecular mass of amylose? 40,000 to 2 lakhs atomic mass unit, AMU. Next, its linkage. It has only one kind of linkage. Its linkage is C1C4 alpha glycosidic linkage. Now, I am going to explain this amylose structure. Amylose structure, you know very well. Amylose polymer of alpha glucose. How many alpha glucose, alpha glucose, alpha glucose, alpha glucose, alpha glucose, alpha glucose? How many times? Minimum 200, maximum 1000 glucose units present. Okay, this is what, listen. HOH. Which one is anomeric carbon atom in alpha glucose? First carbon atom is anomeric carbon atom. This is first carbon atom. Alpha glucose means OH group present in bottom means it is called as alpha. Beta means OH group present in top in anomeric carbon atom. How many alpha glucose? Alpha glucose. Alpha glucose means OH group present in bottom in anomeric carbon atom. Which one is anomeric carbon atom? First carbon atom. Next, alpha glucose. This is linear. It is linear. So you have to draw like this only. You should not. There is no branch. So you should not draw glucose in bottom or top. Okay. HOH, OH, HOH. CH2 OH H. Alpha glucose means OH group present in anomeric carbon atom. Okay, what kind of linkage present? C1 C4 alpha glycosidic linkage. Glycosidic linkage means what? Oxide linkage in between two monosaccharide is called as glycosidic linkage. C1 C4 means what? First carbon atom OH is combined with the fourth carbon atom. Listen. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C1, C4. 2, 3, 4. This is first carbon atom OH. Fourth carbon atom OH. C1, C4 linkage. This H plus is combined with OH minus. 1 mole of water is removed. O minus here plus bond formation. So this oxide linkage present in between first and the fourth carbon atom. This is what first carbon atom. C1, C4 linkage. This is fourth carbon atom OH. This is first carbon atom OH. So what will happen? Here H plus OH minus. 1 mole of water is removed. What's the charge of O? Minus. Here plus. So bond formation. Okay. Here oxide linkage present in between first and the fourth carbon atom. So this one is called as C1, C4 linkage. Am I right? Amylose contains C1, C4 linkage only. Amylose. Okay. You can get how many times? N times. This is one alpha. Here H, O minus. O minus. This H plus OH minus. Okay, next. H, OH, OH, H, here remaining part plus, here O minus, remaining part plus, so bond formation, C1, C4 linkage, okay, CH2, OH, H, H. What's the charge of O? Minus. HOH, OHH, H. Here this OH minus is combined. So here plus, so bond formation. CH2OH, H, OH. So how many times? Here N times. N times. Okay, here we can write N times or minimum 200 to 1000, maximum 1000 glucose. You can mention N time. This is what structure of amylose. Okay, here linkage C1, C4. This is first carbon atom. This is fourth carbon atom. So here oxide linkage. Oxide linkage means what? That oxide linkage is called as glycosidic linkage. This glycosidic linkage present in between first and the fourth carbon atom. Okay, this is structure of amylose. Next one is structure of amylopectin. Okay, I will teach first character of amylopectin, then I will teach structure of amylopectin. Amylopectin. It is also polymer of alpha glucose. Amylopectin. You know amylose, polymer of alpha glucose. Amylopectin also polymer of alpha glucose. There are 200 to 1000 alpha glucose units present. Here 25 to 30 alpha glucose unit present. How many alpha glucose units present in branches? 25 to 30 alpha glucose unit present. You know very well about amylose. It is linear, but it has some branches. It has branches. Next, you know very well about amylose. It is soluble in water, but amylopectin insoluble in water. Okay, next. Here, linkage. There are only one linkage present, C1, C4 linkage, but here two different types of linkage. One is C1, C4 alpha glycosidic linkage. Another one is C1, C2 alpha glycosidic linkage. Okay. It has two different types of linkage. One is C1, C4 alpha glycosidic linkage. Another one is C1, C2 alpha glycosidic linkage. Next, react with iodine. You know very well, amylose react with iodine, it gives blue color. But amylopectin is not involved in chemical reaction with iodine. It does not involve in chemical reaction with iodine. Okay, no reaction with iodine. These are all important character of amylopectin. Okay, now I am going to teach its structure. It is polymer of alpha glucose. So it has alpha glucose only. We have to draw alpha glucose only. Here two different types of linkage. What are the linkage? C1, C4 linkage and C1, C2 linkage. I will explain its structure. Alpha glucose, amylopectin. Structure of amylopectin. Structure is very, very important. H, OH, OH, H, HOH, CH2OH, H. This is first carbon atom. Alpha glucose means, which one is anomeric carbon atom in glucose? First carbon atom is anomeric glucose, anomeric carbon atom. Alpha means OH group present in bottom. Okay, this is alpha glucose. HOH, CH2OH. Alpha glucose, so OH group present in bottom in anomeric carbon atom. Okay, next. H, OH, OH, H, HOH, CH2OH. You know very well, it is not linear. It has some branches also. Okay, this is first carbon atom, fourth carbon atom. So what will happen? This OH minus is combined with this H plus is combined with OH minus 1 mole of water. So what will happen? O minus here plus bond formation. Same thing. H plus OH minus. Here C1 C4 linkage. Here C1 C4 linkage. Okay, next it has two different types of linkage. C1 C4 linkage. Another one is C1 C2 linkage. Very clear? It has two different types of linkage. One is C1 C4 linkage. Another one is C1 C2 linkage. Sorry, C1 C6 linkage. C1 C4 linkage. Another one, it has two different types of linkage. One is C1 C4 linkage. Another one is C1 C6 linkage. H, OH, OH, H, OH, CH2OH, OH. These are all C1 C4 linkage. C1 C4 linkage. Here, this is first carbon atom OH group. This is sixth carbon atom, first carbon atom, second carbon atom, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is sixth carbon atom OH group. Am I right? Sixth carbon atom OH. So this OH minus is combined with H plus. So 1 mole of water is removed. Okay. Here what's the charge of CH2 plus? Here O minus. So bond formation. Here oxide linkage present in between first and the sixth carbon atom. Very clear. So OH minus H plus. So here 1 mole of here 1 bond formed. This is what C1 C6 linkage. Here this one is H plus OH minus 1 mole of water removed. C1 C4. H plus OH minus 1 mole of water is removed. O minus the remaining part plus. So C1 C4 linkage. C1 C4. C1 C4. This is C1 C6 linkage. Okay. Here amylopectin contains two different types of linkage. One is C1 C4 linkage. Another one is C1 C6 linkage. There are two different types of linkage present in amylopectin. Okay, structure of starch over. Okay, in this topic I taught amylose and amylopectin, its character and its properties also I taught in this video. Next video I will teach remaining polysaccharide, cellulose and glycogen I will teach in next video. Okay, thank you everybody.